Yeah. I could stand in the middle of that, mate. Yeah.
Green leaves and green branches, it was all smoky, ain't it? It's smoking.
God, look at that. Look at these spotlights he's got here.
I'm trying to get them on.
It's like Stalag. Huh?
Oh, I got that one off.
That's so John can't creep up on him.
John. Oh,
Stay up, he's going to go on fire, isn't it?
Now that'll mess with the YouTube frame.
yeah.
Camera bird.
He's a fire starter. There they are, look. What a set. What a set of Muppets.
Duck.
Quack.
Why can't you point?
What's he say?
That's like a good idea.
What was that then?
That's a good idea.
Stick some fence on. Stick smush.
Oh, I tell you what it smells like, John. It smells like treacle. Huh?
You know?
It smells like treacle or something.
You are these wet. Looking through these ones.
Just throwing out one. Chuck a couple of rockets on that.
Yeah.
What? Why did you chuck a bit of wood sparkles on? Oh no, not that. Put your back. Put your back.